Can the ocean power our future? Let's dive into offshore wind farms. Welcome to EcoInnovaTech number 256. Today, we're exploring ocean wind farms, how this eco-innovation is harnessing renewable energy from the seas. With climate change driving the need for clean power, this is a game changer. Let's get started. What are ocean wind farms? These are clusters of wind turbines built offshore, tapping into stronger, more consistent winds than land-based sites. In 2025, the UK's Dogger Bank extension hit 1.2 gigawatts, powering 2.5 million homes per Ørsted. Unlike onshore wind, they avoid land use conflicts, making them a key clean power source. Ex-users at Offshore Wind now are buzzing about it. So, how do they work? Giant turbines, up to 300 meters tall, convert wind into electricity via blades connected to generators. A 2025 Australian Hunter wind farm uses floating turbines in deep waters, generating 1 gigawatt with 20% lower costs than 2020 projects, thanks to advanced materials. Each turbine can produce 10 megawatts, cutting 2 million tons of carbon dioxide yearly per 1 gigawatt farm, per IRENA data. So, why are they considered a renewable energy breakthrough? Well, global energy demand is rising by about 2% each year, and yeah, fossil fuels still make up 80% of that mix. Ocean wind farms could actually supply 10% of our energy needs by the year 2030, according to the IEA. If we scale up to 50 gigawatts, that could reduce emissions by 500 million tons every year. Back in 2025, each project created around 5,000 jobs, giving a real boost to coastal economies. It's honestly a win for both the climate and local communities. So let's look at some real-world examples. The UK's Dogger Bank, which was expanded back in 2025, now covers about 600 square kilometers. It delivers power to 3 million homes and supports 6,000 jobs. Oh, and on X, at UK Green Energy said, offshore wind is our future. Meanwhile, Australia's Hunter Wind Farm, which launched in 2025, managed to cut installation costs by 20%, all while powering Sydney with zero emissions. And if global capacity reaches 150 gigawatts by 2035, it could offset 300 million tons of CO2 every year. So what hurdles do they face? Construction costs, for one, hit about $3 billion per gigawatt, though subsidies can drop that to $2.5 billion. But, there's also the issue of marine life disruption. Turbines can affect whales, which means we need mitigation measures like noise barriers, and honestly, maintenance in those harsh seas adds another 10% to the costs. Still, 2025 investments, like the EU's $10 billion wind fund, are driving a 25% annual growth rate, according to Wind Europe. Ocean wind farms could, totally transform our energy grid. With oceans covering 71% of Earth, this eco-innovation is tapping into a resource we've barely used. Scaled up to 200 gigawatts by 2040, it could power 200 million homes and cut 400 million tons of CO2 every year, according to expert projections. It's honestly a tidal wave of clean power. So would you support ocean wind farms? Comment below, like the video, and subscribe for more eco-innovation.